Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in McDonald's Corporation, full guide step by step clearly. To invest in McDonald's Corporation, start by researching the company. Understand its business model, revenue streams, and market performance. Visit McDonald's official website to review investor relations information. Read the latest annual reports and financial statements. Analyze recent news articles and market trends related to McDonald's. Create a brokerage account if you don't already have one. Choose a reputable online brokerage that suits your investment goals. Once your account is set up, fund it with your desired investment amount. Search for McDonald's Corporation using its stock ticker symbol, MCD. Review the current stock price and historical performance charts. Decide how many shares you want to purchase based on your budget. Place a market order to buy shares at the current price or set a limit order for a specific price point. Confirm your order and check that the transaction is complete in your brokerage account. Monitor your investment regularly to stay informed about company performance. Consider setting up alerts for significant price changes or news updates. Evaluate your investment strategy periodically to ensure it aligns with your financial goals. Be aware of market conditions that may affect McDonald's stock value. Reassess your investment horizon and decide when to hold or sell shares. Stay informed about McDonald's corporate developments and industry trends. Diversify your portfolio as you invest in other companies to mitigate risk. Remember that investing in stocks carries risks, including potential loss. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.